Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook black lentils. Start by rinsing your black lentils under cold running water. This step is crucial to remove any dust or impurities. Take a moment to carefully inspect them and pick out any tiny stones or debris that might have found their way in. A good rinse ensures your lentils are clean and ready for cooking, setting the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's get cooking. For every 1 cup of black lentils, you'll want to add 3 cups of water or vegetable broth to a pot. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let them simmer gently for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are tender but still hold their shape. Once your lentils are cooked to perfection, it's time to add some flavor. Season them generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy with your favorite herbs like thyme or bay leaves, which can be added during cooking. For an extra zing, a splash of apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice at the very end can really brighten up the dish. Black lentils are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in many ways. They make a fantastic, nutritious side dish, or you can make them the star of your meal. Try adding them to a vibrant salad, a comforting soup, or a hearty stew. They also pair wonderfully with roasted vegetables, whole grains like quinoa, or your favorite lean protein for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.